Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this question which is for divisors. So what it says that we are given an integer array nums and we have to return the sum of divisors of integers in the array that have exactly four divisors. If there is no such integer in array, then we have to return 0. So suppose we have given this num array 21, 4 and 7, then what we have to find that we have to find the number whose divisor are exactly 4, not less, not more. Only 4 divisors should be there. Okay, so 21 has 4 divisors, that is 1, 3, 7 and 21. Okay, so what we have to return? We have to return the sum of all these, that is 21 plus 7, which is 28, plus 3, 30, 1 and 1, 32. Okay, so we have to return this 32. Similarly, we have to check for 4. It has only 3 divisors, therefore we will not consider it. And then we'll go for 7. It also has only 2 divisors, so we'll not consider it. We'll only consider those numbers whose exact divisors are 4. Okay. So let's see how we'll go through this problem by seeing our coding approach. Okay. So simply we'll run our loop who will go through this entire array. Nums array. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll initialize a counter which will ensure that it has exactly 4 divisors. Okay, and we'll also initialize a sum variable which will contain sum of all our divisors. Okay, okay, so for then we'll put an inside loop to find the divisors. We'll go till the root of the number, and because all the divisors will be find till the root, and other divisors can be find by dividing the divisor by the number. Okay, so if num mod d is equal to 0, which means our d is the divisor, then other divisor would be int other divisor would be num divided by d. Okay, so first divisor would be our d and second divisor would be other. Okay, then one second. Okay, so then we'll initialize our counter, which is cnt. Okay, to keep the check that divisions do not exceed 4 number. Okay, then we'll proceed with if other not equal to d. Suppose it has 4, then 8 divided by like it has suppose 16 and division is 4, then 16 divided by 4 is also 4. So we need to check that the same divisor should not be repeated. Okay, so to check that, what we'll do, we'll check if it other is not equal to d, then we increase our counter only then, and we'll if it is same, then we'll not increase because it is the same value. Okay, and we'll initialize our sum with other. And if in any case, here we'll initialize sum plus is equals to d. First we need to divisor, we have to add the divisor in the sum, and also we'll check if our counter any times exceed 4. In that case, we'll not consider that element because we need to keep on the elements who have 4. Okay, so any case it exceeds 4, then we'll not consider it, simply we'll leave it. Okay, so finally what we'll check, if our count is equal to 4, then in our total sum, which will contain the sum of all the elements of the array which have 4 divisor. Okay, and finally we'll return our total sum. This is a very simple approach to go through this program, and we have simply used two for loops. One to iterate through the entire nums array, and second one to find our divisors. And then we have our logic to go through it, and which is a very simple logic. And if you had any doubts, put it in a comment section, and I'll put the code in the description. And don't forget your craze for the DSA. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.